Hello and welcome to another one of your Geek Advisor's Geek Tutorials. Now this week's Geek Tutorial is on how to make the famous shutdown virus. Now this virus is very simple, you can make it yourself, obviously, as I'll show you in the video. Now you can disguise this as a shortcut, so it can be very deadly. I mean, you can add logos as well, so you could call it Internet Explorer, put the Internet Explorer logo, and then somehow get it onto their computer, so whenever they click on it, the system shuts down. And over the next few videos, we will be focusing on viruses, and these will all be used in batch, and they will progressively get harder. Well, apart from the talking virus, that will be in VB. They'll get progressively more advanced, but they'll still be easy to make. That's the beauty of batch. So it's pretty simple, really. This first one is the kind of thing that if you advertise a fake product, and then you say to them, download here, they download the shortcut, then when they click on it, it's too late. Okay, you can also get to do other things as well, which I will be showing you in the next couple of videos. Okay, so the first thing you're going to need to do is, if I just go into my documents, and it should be called Shutdown 2, there we go. Okay, so you just edit this. Now you'll notice it's not looking normal, that's just because I've converted it to the batch file already. Now, okay, so, and there you go. Okay, so this is basically the code. Okay, shutdown gives the system to either log off, reboot, etc. -S tells the system to shut down. Now there's other versions. If you go to your command prompt and you type in shutdown, you get a long list of all these, and these will give you different options like shut down the computer, shut down and restart after the system is rebooted, restarting registered applications, etc. You can just log off, you can do the reasons, or you can just type your own one. Anyway, okay, so -T, that's for time, and it's in seconds, so here is 40 seconds. Now usually you set this to something about 5. I've just set it low enough because obviously I'm going to show you it working, but I will need to abort the shutdown, so I need enough time to be able to do that. And then -C, and then in your speech marks you can type in anything. This will be a displayed message. Now you don't have to add this, you can just do it in the background and shut down, that's fine. But it's quite good to add this, so I don't know, something like you are now hacked, your computer is destroyed. Now of course this won't destroy your computer, it'll just shut down. It's called a shutdown virus, but it's only shut down because people aren't expecting it, really. Virus even. Okay, so then once you've done that, you just go like this, and you right click and copy. And then the next thing you need to do is you're going to need to go to your desktop. So just minimize everything. Okay, and just right click. And then you need to go on to a new. And then you go on to new shortcut. Now you type the location, you right click and you paste. There you go. And then you click next. Type a name. So for example, to show you that it can be used for hacking, you'll just go Internet Explorer. Finish. Okay, now at the moment it doesn't look like it, so if you right click and then you go properties, and then you move this, and if you click on change icon, that's fine. Now you've got all these icons in which you can choose something from. Or if you make your own icon, you can just browse and find it. So I'll just see the Internet Explorer ones here. There it is. Now, so you just click on that. Click apply. Always click apply first, and then OK. And then there you go. Perfectly normal looking Internet Explorer shortcut. You wouldn't know the difference. You click on it, and there you go. You're now hacked. Your computer is destroyed. Now that will start shutting down, so I just need to abort that. There you go, and it's aborted. Now normally, if you change that to, so if I just go, you can't edit the shortcut now. So you just delete that one, and then you create another one. And this time, if you change the -T to something like 5 seconds, just enough for them to read it, or even 3 seconds. You just type that in. Make sure you leave a space, obviously. But I can't do that, obviously, because it will just shut down, destroy the video, etc. So I'll cancel that. So that's basically how you make a shutdown virus. You can use it in many different things, as long as it's a shortcut. Most people will click on it. Do it as a shortcut for a program. Pretend to make a, I don't know, you can do anything. Loads of people like different programs. Some people like hacking programs. They might want a very new game that's expensive, so they don't want to pay for it, etc. And this will all lure people in. Okay, so that's the end of our tutorial for the shutdown virus, and next week's tutorial will be on talking viruses. Yes, you heard me right, talking viruses. I'll be showing you how to make a virus that will also talk to the computer user. It can say anything you want it to say, and you don't have to download anything. It's completely simple. It's already on your computer. I can almost guarantee you that. And that's pretty much it. Just a little notice. We'd like to thank you for the 627 to date visitors to our website. We have over 300 video views and 5 subscribers, so keep the views and subscriptions up. And I don't think there's anything else. Oh yeah, if you go to the merchandise tab, we now have our toolbar launch. Okay, so that's fine. And also our app is down here, available on all these browsers. Okay, pretty simple. Just download, and also you can donate as well. And apart from that, thanks for watching this geekadvisor.co.nr geek tutorial. We hope to serve you in the future. Thank you.